So like I said, I don't know this neighborhood, almost nothing about it. There's a cactus. I don't really know anything about it because all I know is it's a little neighborhood with some sidewalks and just a general neighborhood. So I don't know if there's anything around where I live, like what should I call it, like trails and stuff. So all you weed heads over here by my house, we got a smoke shop. I could see myself riding one of those. I can see myself really riding one of those around. Those are pretty badass. They're not as fast as the motorcycle. You know, it'd be really nice right now because it is colder weather. Some nice hot chocolate. That would set the moment. Like either that or like what I had the other day when I went out to lunch with a friend. We went to Red Lobster, which is I don't know if that's overseas for my UK viewers, but it's this really nice like fish restaurant where they sell lobster and crab, and I got this lobster clam chowder that was totally off the chain. Because if you guys love to see in my view, then what I'm thinking about doing is possibly getting another action camera, another Sony action camera, and another mount, or getting a cheaper GoPro, like a GoPro Hero 3 or something, and doing it that way where you guys can see both angles at once. But I love the Sonys because they work very well. They're highly underrated. But I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of my trip and just let you guys enjoy the scenery. And there's a baseball park. I remember playing like a miniature, like baseball, minor leagues or little league, I think it's called. Let me know in the comments below, did you guys play any sports growing up? I played soccer, baseball, I played track and field when I was in high school, and I got all the ribbons to prove that I was badass at track and field. I got like all first and second place trophies. I played football. I was special teams and corner, or I should say pre-safety. If you guys watch American football, you know what a pre-safety is. And I love that sport because you can take a hit and yeah, I'm gonna go show you that. Here's that three-wheel bike I was talking. That thing is badass. I think it's this actual scooter. That's sick. That's something that is sick. See, I'm into more unique vehicles like that, not just your typical like cars and stuff. That was awesome. Like I said, I'm gonna be quiet now so you guys can enjoy the ride. or make videos, you've got to be very consistent. Just talk to the camera, not worry about if other people are around watching you or not watching you, because in reality it'll make your video suck if when people around and you go, oh my god, I'm scared. Like, really? Just make your video, because no one's gonna know. Like, they're not gonna care. Yeah, they might stare at you. Like, people stare at me all the time when I'm out vlogging or riding my bike and doing these bike vlogs for you guys. But I'm like, it doesn't really matter. But like I've always said, I still want to get like a motorcycle helmet for my bike, wear and have my helmet cam, because I think that view is better than just on the bike. I mean, do you guys love the helmet cam view, or do you just love it on the actual bike? Because sometimes I think when you have it on the actual handlebars, it kind of gives you the reality of you're riding along with me. And when you have it on the helmet, it gives you kind of that aspect of you're the one actually riding with me. I'm big into those moto vlogging videos. If you don't know what those are, it's just people who ride around on motorcycles and vlog. There's girls who do it, guys who do it, and they're very highly entertaining. Yeah, I definitely need that hot chocolate now. Oh god, you probably could tell I'm cold. My hands are freezing. But like I said, I just want to get out on the bike and go for a ride, because I haven't done that in a while.